Now children, today let's start with chapter number 6, that is the temperate zone. So it is neither too cold nor too hot. So it is situated away from the equator between 40 to 55 degree in the northern hemisphere and between 40 degrees south to 55 in southern hemisphere. जो temperate region होता है वहाँ पर grassland form करता है and they hardly have trees and high mountains. We have prairies in the, so we have different grasslands like prairies in the North America, right? And Wales in South Africa, Pampas in South America, Steppes is Russia, Downs in Australia, right? So there are some difference between the grasslands of the northern hemisphere and those from the southern hemisphere. So prairies और जो steppes है, they are both in northern hemisphere. ये higher altitude जैसे Pampas हो गए, Wales हो गए, Downs हो गए, they are located over there, right? Next is the climate. So grasslands का जो climate होता है, it's northern hemisphere में थोड़ा अलग होता है और southern hemisphere में थोड़ा अलग होता है. So in making the area hot in summer, cold in winter, so we call it continental type of climate. Chinook, it's a kind of hot wind जो blow करती है. Temperate grassland zone of southern hemisphere कहाँ lie करती है? Near the coast, right? So let's study about the plant life. So we can say that trees are found in this region which are planted by the farmers. The grass vary in size from region to region, right? So on other hand, stepes have continental type of climate. They are found mostly in the short. They are green in spring and brown in summer. In autumn, they are dry and winter they are dry. So the roots remain buried in the snow and again they grow. Animal life, there are variety of animals found in grasslands. Some of the large animals that found in grasslands of the northern hemisphere, जैसे आपके bison हो गए, grizzly deer, anacondas, llamas जो है वो आपको southern hemisphere में देखने को मिले. Now the temperate zones have become adobe of wild animal like wild horses, deer. In winter, several small animals of this region, जैसे squirrels हो गए, hedgehogs हो गए, what they do, they sleep in winter, जिसको हम hibernation कहते हैं. Human life, farming is quite developed and advanced in the region. They grow in the prairies of North America. The area is very fertile and it is also regarded as greenery of the world. Agriculture is carried out extensively, right? So Canada and Australia and Russia, they are wheat grown areas. Machine known as combine harvester are used to harvest the crop. हम किसका use करते हैं? हम combine harvester का use करते हैं, right? Cattle rearing or ranching livestock is another important activity. Grasses like alfalfa, clove हो गई, they grow for animals, right? Prairies ride horses and look after cattle. In South America, cowboys, जिनको हम गोचास कहते हैं, they are brown. At present, Argentina is one of the leading exporter of meat and leather. They are found in the Creek tribe of stepes, grays, and sheep. They are now also for setting down to the farm life. Hot pens of the South Africa, North America, they have lost their separate, उनकी जो separate identity है ना वो इन्होंने खो दी है. And they become the part of modern society. और ये किसका part बन गए? Modern society. Right? This is all about in this chapter. What you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.